The United States Botanic Garden was established by Congress in 1820, fulfilling the vision of George Washington, who wanted the capital city to promote the importance of plants. More than 200 years later, it is the oldest continuously operating public garden in the nation and is comprised of the conservatory, several outdoor gardens, and the Bartholdi Fountain and Gardens, the subject of this video. The United States Botanic Garden is located on either side of Independence Avenue at 1st Street, Southwest in Washington, D.C. It is just steps from the United States Capitol and is easily accessible from the Federal Center Southwest Metro Station or from Union Station. Street parking is available in the area, except for during rush hours on workdays. Hours of operation can be found at this website. Like so many attractions in Washington, the U.S. Botanic Garden is free. I'll be quiet now. Enjoy the photos and video from my visit on the morning of May 24th, 2025.